Have you ever designed a flyer that doesn't look good even after spending hours on it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean professional flyer in Canva using only your phone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips, and mobile design hacks that help you to create professional design like a pro using your phone. Let's get started. When you open your Canva homepage like this, you tap on search to search for flyer. You click search. Now you can see we have different templates of flyers that you can always search for right on Canva, and always choose the standard flyer size. When you want to choose a size, we have the social media size for the Instagram page, which is a ratio 4:5, and we also have the square size, which is 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. And when you are choosing your template, choose a good template. You can always search for business flyer, church flyer, sales flyer, event flyer, and promotion flyer, or any kinds of flyer you can always search for on Canva. Now we are going to choose a business flyer. So let's choose this fashion sale, and don't forget this: when you are customizing the template, if you are not using pro version of Canva, make sure that you use a free template and customize it before you download. But if you have subscribed to Canva, then you can choose any type of template, either pro or free. And if you want to have access to Canva Pro, there's a link in the description button that you can always click on to have access to Canva Pro. Now let's continue. Let me pick this template, fashion sales. Now the flyer is here. The first thing you do when you want to customize your template is to name the template. And how will you name the template? Just click on this little icon at the top right here, and you name the template. Now we want to start customizing this template, and let's duplicate so that you can see the before and the after. When you are done, let me click on it. Then I will click on duplicate. Now here is our after. There is the second template that we want to customize. And if you are into hair business and you have this type of template, all you have to do is you click on each text, you add your logo, and you want to add your logo. It's either the logo is inside the upload already, or you import the logo right on your phone to Canva. You click on the gallery to import the logo. Just click on the gallery here. You click on add to page, you minimize it and take it up. Then you drag it up. And after you've dragged it up, you come down to the bottom menu right here, you scroll forward to the position, and you click align, you click on center. We can see there is a right up at the back, so I will click on the right up, I will delete it. And now I will change the fashion sale to hair sales. I will click on the fashion sales text, I will click on edit. We are customizing the template. Now I've customized it to hair sales. I will click on it again. If you want to change the font, you just click on the font right here. You click on the arrow going up, and you change the font that you like when you are customizing the template for your brand. And if you want to change the font size, just click on the font size. It's either you increase it like this or you decrease it. And also you can always change the color. Let me change the color to black because you can see that our logo is black. So after that, we replace the picture. You delete the template images, you upload your own, and make sure you use high quality photos, because using the blurred images reduce the professionalism. So I will click on the image, then I will click on replace. You either replace it using for your gallery or you use the Canva photos. Then I click on Canva library photos, then I will search for here, search for woman here. So we can see we have various type of wig here. So let me pick the first one. And like I have said before, if you haven't subscribed to Canva Pro, make sure that you choose a free resources. Make sure that you choose a free resources, choose a free element, unless you have subscribed to Canva Pro. So because my account right here is on Pro version, so I will click this first pictures right here that has a crown on it. Now we can see that we have replaced the images, and when you are customizing your template, use only 2 to 3 colors. Use only 2 to 3 colors. Too many colors make your flyer look busy. Stick to your brand colors. Stick to your brand colors. So I click on this shop now. Let me click on the background first. Let me choose this, the shop now. I will click on the edit to replace with order now. Then I will delete the website. If you don't have the website yet for your brand, you can delete it, delete the write up, and use the social media icons to replace the call to action. So I will delete it. Then I will draw another rectangle to add the social media icons. So I go to the elements. I will click on, okay, I already see a shape here. So I will drag it down. So you can see. Now I will add the phone number. So I add the phone icons and the phone number text. So I go back to the element. I will search for call. I also already suggested for call icon. Then I will click on it. So I will minimize it. Then I will scroll forward to the notch. Bring it down like this. Now also I want to duplicate this order now so that I can use it to replace it with phone number. So I bring it here, and I can use for this call to action. I can add another font. When you are customizing the template, you use minimum of 2 fonts or 3. Too much fonts will not make your design to look good. Use a minimum of 2 or 3 fonts. So I will click on the fonts first. Then let me use the Montserrat. This, okay, not all pages. So I will go to the format. I will remove it from all uppercase. I go to the format and click on this A to remove from the all uppercase. Then I will click on edit because I want to add the phone numbers. This is just for the sample. So I will go to the notch again and drag it back next. Then I will use the Instagram icon. I will go to the element to search for Instagram and Facebook icon. Let me see if you can search for Instagram and Facebook icon. We can see the Facebook. Let's bring down here. So I go to the color to change the color to black. Can all see? So I go back to the element to go and select Instagram icon. So this one is still good. So I will change the color to black. Let's see. Okay, so I'll duplicate this phone number for me to write the brand name. So I drag it forward. I'll click on edit. Control A. Okay. And I will click on this. I will change the color. Let's change the color to black. This place to right here at the top, at the side also, I will change the color to black too. And when you are customizing your template, make sure everything align with each other. You can see that you do not move any text or any element to another side. Make sure that everything align to each other. And this is our before. This is our before, and this is after. And after you are done customizing your template, make sure that you click on this icon at the top here to download your template. So you click the icon here, you click on download. You select the page that you want to download. So you want to download the page 2, current page 2. So you click download. Now you know how to design a professional flyer using Canva on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I upload Canva tutorials every week. Thank you. See you in the next video.